Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. USD JPY defies pullback from 6-month low to attack 104.50 amid Tokyo's second holiday. http ntvforex.com News ID E2034B 2 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. USD JPY fails to extend recovery moves beyond 104.84. Virus woes, Sino-American tension weigh on the risk-tone sentiment. Policymakers from the Fed, RBA and ECB speak dovish as hopes of economic recovery wanes. Off in Japan, a light calendar can restrict the counter-trend moves unless any surprises. USD JPY prints 0.11% intraday losses while declining to 104.53 during the early Tuesday. The yen major dropped to the lowest since March 12 the previous day, before bouncing off 104.00 to close on a positive side near 104.65. Although the US dollar's broad strength, amid risk-off mood, favored the quote earlier, failures to keep the pullback may join downbeat comments from the Federal Reserve members in pleasing the USD JPY bears. Economic optimism fades not before a few days. Global markets were cheering hopes of economic recovery after the coronavirus COVID-19 hit the macros. However, the recent resurgence in the pandemic, mainly in Europe and the UK, probes the bulls. Also joining the line are the latest comments from the U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo from the United Nations UN meet. The Trump administration member thanked France, Germany and the UK, via Twitter, as they backed rejection to China's claim over the South China Sea. Elsewhere, the Fed Chair Jerome Powell said, in the first of testimony, that the path ahead of the economy remains a highly uncertain. Further, the NBSP Federal Reserve Bank NBSP of St. Louis President, NBSP James NBSP Bullard, also spoke dovish on Bloomberg's interview while saying, that the Fed will be much less preemptive about hiking NBSP rates. Not only the Federal Open Market Committee FOMC members but the decision-makers from the European Central Bank ECB and the Reserve Bank of Australia RBA also marked their worries in the latest appearances. As a result, S&P 500 futures drop for the fifth day in a row to 3,270 as we write. Given the off in Japan, due to the NBSP autumnal equinox day, coupled with an absence of major data events, the bears are likely to keep the reins until any news on the vaccine erupts. Technical analysis: unless breaking above the August month's low near 105.10, buyers are less likely to re-enter the ring. Additional important levels overview: today last price 104.54, today daily change 0.11, today daily change percent 0.11%, today daily open 104.65, NBSP trends daily SMA 20 105.78, daily SMA 50 106.02, daily SMA 100 106.73, daily SMA 200 107.72, NBSP levels: previous daily high 104.9, previous daily low 104, previous weekly high 106.17, previous weekly low 104.27, previous monthly high 107.05, previous monthly low 105.1, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 104.56, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 104.34, daily pivot point S1 104.13, daily pivot point S2 103.62, daily pivot point S3 103.24, daily pivot point R1 105.03, daily pivot point R2 105.42, daily pivot point R3 105.93, NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.